Hey guys, how we doing today? It's Daryl. Oh, gotta get my strap out of there. Oh, I can take this right off. It's Daryl. Hope everybody's having a great day and hope you all had a great weekend. I'm standing out in front of my house right now, and ever since we moved in here, it's been what, 23 years ago now? It's always been kind of dark out here. We have put a motion activated porch light up here on this corner of the house, and we put a LED coach lamp in on the side of the house up there. But I've always kind of wanted a dusk to dawn light out here where we park at by the road. There's the little street that goes by my house right here. And I never wanted to get an electrician out to run the wiring over to the pole and rig it up. But Doug came up with this great idea from Walmart. He brought home, I think I'm going to be able to see it very good here in the bright light, but this is a LED solar powered dusk to dawn light. And it's amazing. Look how much light's out here. I mean, this is like really good lighting out here. You can see all the vehicles, and it's nice and bright, and it's just really a nice little gadget. We've got it up on a ladder, screwed it to the pole, and it charged up from about, I think he set it up about 4 o'clock. So it charged from like 4 to about 6:15 or so when the sun went down. And I think it came out about 6:35 or 6:40. And we're going to keep an eye on it and let you know when it goes out. But the really cool thing about it is it's like 2-stage. Right now it's on the bright setting, or bright stage. But if there's no motion detected outside here, after about 5 or 10 minutes, it shuts down to a dimmer setting. Alright, I wanted to show you this. After about a minute, it goes down to a softer energy saving setting, which is about 1/3 of its regular light output. And we'll just go over here, walk closer, and you can see what happens when it senses movement. Hey, look at that, boom. And then again, it lights the whole area up. Isn't that great? It's really nice. I really like this a lot. Well, it's not an unboxing video, but we can still show you the box. Here it is. This was from Walmart. It was about $22. And we'll go over some of the specifications of it with you real quick. It's 1,000 lumens, which is the equivalent of 100 watts, it says. Rechargeable, solar powered, LED street and landscape light with an efficient solar panel. This is your motion sensor here. Probably also the darkness sensor to tell it to come on after dark. These are your adjustable light panels. Those are on pivot, so you can tilt them in and out either way, so you can adjust the angle of the light where you want the light to go. And after it senses motion, it's on all the time at dark, but when it senses motion, it kicks up to the full 100 watts. When it's not sensing motion, it stays at about 40 watts. It says the motion activation is a 120-degree angle, good for about something up to 24 feet away. It comes with a 2-year warranty and has an 18-year life expectancy for the solar panels and LED light bulbs. And I gotta say, I'm really liking this hyper tough solar LED street light. It seems to work just as well as the old mercury vapor lights, which cost a lot more money, require more wiring, and more energy to operate. Yeah, I wanted to show it to you in the daylight when it's not on, so you can get a good view of it. And you can see the sensor sensitivity adjustment button in the front, and the 2 adjustable LED pads further back that you can angle. And I gotta say, it worked pretty well. Doug put it up around 4 o'clock Sunday afternoon, and it only had about 2 hours of good daylight to charge up with. It came on about 6:30, 6:40 if I remember right. And it was still on at 12:15 in the morning when I got up, right before I went to bed actually. It was still on. I got up again around 5 a.m. and it had went out by then. Not because it was light out, because the batteries ran down. So 2 hours worth of sunlight charging did not keep it going all night. But we'll check it again today because we're gonna have bright sunshine today, but it's nice and bright out today. That should charge it up a little bit. We'll see how it does tonight and makes it. But you can see it's a nice quality light, and that 2-stage motion detector on it really seems to work well. It's quite sensitive too. It's supposed to have a range of 24 feet, and I'm at least 25, 30 feet away or more from it right here, and it was sensing motion from this location. Well, you can see how cloudy and dreary the weather is. And I think I told you that the first day we put the light fixture up, that it lasted about 6 hours or so on just a couple hours of bright sunlight charging it up. Well, our first full day of testing, it was cloudy like this out and dark all day, and it lasted less than 5 hours, probably a little closer to 4 hours last night. So I would have to say that I can recommend this light fixture conditionally, as long as you don't need it to be functional all night long when it's cloudy out the day before. Because if it's cloudy out the day before, you're not going to get enough build up in the energy in the solar cells to make it last through the whole night. I'm sure in the summertime when it's brighter and some sunnier out, or a nice sunny spring day, it'll be just fine. But there's going to be some days when it just doesn't last quite as long as you're going to hope it does. And if you can live with that, then it'll be okay. Cheeto, the rescue cat, she can live with it. Can't you, Cheeto? Look at her. Isn't she cute? Yes. She's an indoor cat. She doesn't come out. Old man cat, Tinsel, he's in there too. He comes outside whenever he wants to. I can see him sitting in there. And she's just, I don't think she's smart enough with the ways of the world to get by out here, so. But anyway, that's the story here at the Turcotte household today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.